How to fix the issue with blockchain wallet application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with blockchain wallet application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the application and go to the settings section. There, in setting menu, you will see the option of key 1. Simply click on it and choose the option of Bitcoin. Once you choose the option, you will navigate to wallet setting. There, click on transaction history and then you will be directed to a page with the option of clear cache. Simply choose that option. And that's all. By clearing the cache of blockchain wallet application, you will be able to fix this issue. But if your issue is still not solved, simply go to Google Play Store and update the application. So that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue with blockchain wallet application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.